Alexander. Are you excited, baby? Oh my God! Hello. Today I'm gonna share a very special gift from different country that I received today. And I really don't know what is inside, but I'm gonna share it with you guys.
A few moments later.
Not really sure where I'm going to start. Over here, there's plenty. Okay. I have a scissor here. Let me see from where. OMG. This is from Mr. Who from Hong Kong, and who you? Let me see what's inside. Okay. What is this? I'm not really sure what is this. And this is a bottle holder. It's like that. I think this is like when you go to camping, you can use this. Let me see. Okay. Anyway, thank you, Mr. Who. And who you. But I love it. I'm gonna figure out later. Okay. Next one. This is from Mr. Who again. Who are you, Mr. Who? Thank you so much. Oh my God. I think this is for Alexander. Exactly. This is for Alexander. I like this. What is this? It's pajamas. What is this character? What is that? I'm not sure. There's another one. That is cute. Mr. Who, thank you so much. Don't worry, I'm gonna ask Alexander to wear this when he go to sleep, okay? So you can see it. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm excited. I really like this one. I think I'm gonna use it for Christmas. I think this is a Christmas ball, and this is from very secretive. This says delivery instruction. That's all I can see there. This is LED. I'm gonna try this later tonight. Okay? And then the next one I can just do. Oh my. Another one. This is from where? Mr. Who again. Mr. Who. I love you, Mr. Who. And who are you? Okay. This is for me, I guess. Let me see. Oh my God, this is difficult. Now I get it. I think he wants me to wear with Alexander. So we're paired. Ah, it's still Alexander. I thought it's for me. Oh, nice material. Okay. And this one. I'm excited. What is this? Let me see. And this is from where? Okay, this is from Korea. Thank you, Noel. Thank you so much. I don't know what is this. Da-da-da-da. Hi, Alexander. Come here, baby. Come here. Here. Alexander, are you excited? This is all for you. Look. Here. You like that? Oh. Oh, this is the projector lamp. Okay. This is like something like Galaxy. Oh gosh, thank you so much, Noel. I really like this. I really like this one. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay. Wait. I have to keep all this stuff in here. So this one is from Taiwan. Thank you, Edlin. Edlin, thank you so much. I'm excited. This is so fun. I really don't expect this for all of you guys, but thank you. This is a jumpsuit. Alexander, can you help me, please? Can you help me? Here. This is from Baby Shopper. Thank you so much, Baby Shopper. Thank you. Let me see. Let me see this. Alexander, be careful, baby. Oh my. Baby Shopper, thank you so much. Oh, this is so silky, silky. It's a pattern. It's for me. Here we go. Wow, Baby Shopper, thank you so much. I love it. I'm gonna use this one. This one, I really like this. Okay, next. This is from Singapore as well. This is from HR. Thank you so much, HR. What is this? Oh my gosh. Don't tell me it's another pajamas again. They want me to sleep. Okay. Nice. Yes, another pajamas. Thank you, HR. Mickey Mouse. Alex, another pajamas again for sure. Pajamas, but I really like the quality. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is for me and Alexander. This is quite big, but really, I like this one. Okay, so another pajama HR. What are you trying to do? You want me to sleep all the time? Okay, so I'm not gonna watch LS anymore. Alright, another one. Another pajamas. This is so cute, so cute. I really like this one. Oh my god. Okay, a quick one. What is next? Let me get some, all the small stuff in here. And this is from Japan. Japan. I don't know from where. Another secret. Okay, let me open this one, okay? Japan. Do I need to open it? Okay. I better. Yeah, a quick one. Okay, this is a jumpsuit. Jump short. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Japan. Okay, there's something here. Japan. And the next one. Next one. This is from Hong Kong again. Mr. Who? And who are you? Okay, another pajamas for sure. So many pajamas. What? Okay, let me open a quick one. Pajamas again is so cute. Look at that. Okay. I wish I can have one of those. Okay. See, another pajamas. It's all for Alexander. Okay, Mr. Who, you know what? I'm gonna show you all the pictures when Alexander use it, and I'm gonna share it with you, okay? And this is from where? This is from Singapore, and another one, secret again. I don't know who you, but I know you from this one. Okay, let me see what is this. Aha! Okay. This is so exciting. So cute. This is for me. Sexy. This. Another one. That one. Okay. There's a light pink. This is white. Yes. Thank you so much. This is so very excited. I don't know what's inside, but it's quite big. Okay. And let me check from where. Oh my god. This is from Mr. Who again. Who are you? And from Hong Kong. Okay. Let me open this. Oh, I'm excited. Oh my god. What is this? Oh my god. Is this accessories? Or this is for me to show my This is so cute. Let me figure out what is this. It's quite few. 1, 2. This is 3, 4, 5. Mr. Hu, I really don't know who you are, but you know what? I have a letter here for sure is coming from you. I'm gonna read that later, and for sure do you want me to establish all this, right? Okay, but thank you very much. I really appreciate whatever it is, especially the pajamas is lovely. And what is this? This is for my hairband, I guess, like that. For my Christmas, like this, or like that. This is soft, really. I don't know. What is the purpose of this? Yeah? Can you share with me your comments about what I'm holding here? What is this? Okay? Because I'm not sure also. Maybe, really, I don't know. I will figure it out later, okay? Then, okay. Oh my God. This is one from my daughter. Let me see what this is. Oh my gosh. This is another pajama. Another pajamas. Let me see. Oh no. What's this, sister? Okay. Just realized it's like all pajamas. I'm not really sure why. Pajamas again for Alexander. Okay. And then, what else? How about this one? What is this? How about this one? Mr. Hu again! Mr. Hu. Thank you so much, Mr. Hu. I like this, but I'm not sure. Okay. This is interesting. Okay, I will pass this one because I think it's quite really big. Okay, but later I'm gonna show you guys what is this. Comes with the metals and I don't know. Okay, so that's the little one. Little one. This one, what is this? This is from Singapore. Thank you, Kathy. Kathy, from Kathy. This is one. Kathy. What is this interesting? Oh. Okay, is this kind of fishnet for my hair? Oh, okay, Kathy, I know where you're from. Okay. Okay, it's like that. It's like this. Thank you, Kathy. Thank you so much. I know what, I'm not really sure what is the purpose for this, Kathy, but I'm gonna visit your shop one day. Okay? Thank you. Go. Okay, this one is white light box. And let's guess what is this. This is from Korea. Again, this is from Noel. Noel, thank you so much. Thank you. Ta-da-da! Oh my God, Noel! Thank you! Let me see. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Thank you, Noel. Oh my God, it's so nice. This is nice. Let me try. How do I look? Is it really good? Yeah? Thank you, Noel. Okay. And I think I'm going to stop here. Last one. But I have few more. But I don't think I can open this. I think I'm gonna do it another day. Okay. And this is what? This is from where? Oh, this is from Japan. Japan. Thank you, Jenny. Okay, this is for workout and this is for me. Okay. So many stuff for Alexander. He's so lucky. Okay, what else? Okay. Each one of you, thank you very much, Mr. Who, and who are you? And I want to know you. HR, thank you so much. Baby Shopper, thank you so much. Noel, thank you so much. Edwin, thank you so much. I think I forgot one thing here. I know this is from Mama Bing, and this is the first one that I received. So yes, thank you so much. Alexander, I think we're done. Say thank you to everybody. Say thank you to everybody. Yay, thank you so much for all the gift. Yay. Are you not in the mood? You're tired also? Yeah? Baby, we're done. Which one? Which one you like? Do you like this one? Yes, you like this one. Okay, thank you very much, Alexander. Alex. Alexander, what are those? What is it? Yeah? Yeah? So serious. Let me try. Try this one. This is cool. See? He doesn't like it. Okay. This is really cool. Alexander, say bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Mwah. Bye-bye, Papa. I said Papa, not Papa. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yes. 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 Mwah. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You. Bye-bye. Okay. Thank you, Alexander, for helping Mommy, okay? Thank you. I hope each one of you enjoyed as much as I did. Really, this is really fun. And hope guys stay tuned. I'm gonna do more unboxing because it's over there. It's over there. It's many more. Many more. And stay safe, everyone. I'll see you soon. I love you.